Hey gang, CJ from Excelsior Bodywork. You know me from the clinic room. I'm here with a CARS instructional video. Our next joint is the knee. What we work for in the knee, just as in the elbows, we get rotation with extension and flexion. So we say that the forearm supinates and pronates. It does. At the knee, the tibia rotates as the knee flexes and extends. And this tibial rotation, super important and often ignored. So strongest encouragement to pay attention to tibial rotation. Initially might feel like you don't have any. Just keep working on it. Be patient, be relentless, keep knocking on the door. You'll get more. More is better and better is better. So the way we do this is I'm on my left knee. I'm gonna hook my left knee with my left arm. I'm gonna cover my right bicep and then use my right arm to cover my left femur, thigh, right? So that's gonna lock that down. I don't want my thigh to rotate. Or move at all, really. I just wanna work the tibia and the knee joint. So it looks like this. I'm gonna pull the knee, the heel in. That's most knee flexion. So I'm flexing the knee and then I'm turning the tibia outward, right? So hopefully you can see that tibia turns out. And don't get discouraged if it feels like you're not moving. Just keep knocking on the door. Just keep working. This is bioflow. This is neural drive. We're trying to teach that stuff to move. If it hasn't moved in a while, just don't get frustrated. Keep working on it. So I'm turning that tibia out and then extend. If you're super flexy and you can straighten the knee, don't, because it will lock and then you won't get any more rotation. So turn out, right? External rotation of the tibia, extend, turn in and flex, and then out and extend, in and down. Right? So now I have internal rotation with flexion, extend. This one can get kind of sticky. Turn it out with extension, flex, internal rotation, extend, turn out. Same with the other leg. This time I'll show you a different sort of base position. You can do this on your back. If you hold your leg just like so, put a little bend. So when we get to the top, don't lock your knee shut. You can start down here just as before, but I'm on my back. And sometimes you feel like you get a little more control of your femur, because we don't want the femur to turn. So I'm gonna start with flexion, turn the tibia out, extend, turn it in, and flex. Turn it out, extend, in, flex. Stay turned in, extend. This one's hard for me. Turn it out, flex, turn it in, extend, rotate out, flex. That's your knee car. We're almost done. Right where you're at, so we can take that rear naked choke again on our leg, except this time that's same side arm, same side leg, hook, cover the opposite bicep. Now this time cover the tibia. I don't want the tibia to move now because I want just the just the ankle. So it looks like this. I'm gonna so start with drawing the toes up. This is dorsiflexion, and then make the biggest circle you can. This is inversion, eversion, plantar flexion, eversion, dorsiflexion. Make 2 or 3 circles, reverse those circles. Don't let the tibia go. Try to keep that still. Lots of snap, crackle, pops here. my ankle sounds like a gravel pit. It's okay. As long as they don't hurt, it's fine. Keep moving. They'll diminish over time. As you keep oiling the ankle, its movement will be freer and easier every time. Reverse. What's a different base position for that? So if you had a yoga block, you might do it like that. You might hold here. That way you can study your tibia. Make sure you're not getting any movement there. Try to move the ankle and the ankle only. Couple passes each way, clockwise, counterclockwise. Trying to make that circle just a millimeter wider every pass. Good. And then, last but not least, so you're probably walking around in foot coffins, what I like to call, that's what I like to call shoes. It means your feet aren't working. They're weakening every day because the shoes aren't letting them work. So intrinsic foot control and toe strength turns out to be really, really important for balance. I won't preach about that right now. I'll just say that your feet are probably weak and you can benefit from strengthening it. So for our toe cars, it's not really a car. We're exercising the intrinsic muscles of the feet. Do this. So take this seated position and stretch your feet out as far as you can while still being able to keep the front of the feet in touch with the mat. That might mean you're back here. That's okay. Just figure out where you need to be while keeping the whole foot on the ground. And then we'll go like this. You can take a 30% irradiation, squeeze a little bit, and then lift the big toe. Put it back down. Lift the big toe. Make sure all your little digits are remaining in contact. Put it back down. Lift it up again. Put it back down. Now, anchor the big toe and lift the little toes, but try not to let the arch collapse. So big toe down, little toes up. Big toe down, little toes up. Big toe down, little toes up. We're just doing 3 of these. Now we'll go all the toes up and big toe down. All the toes up, big toe down. All the toes up, big toe down. All of them up, and then spread that pinky toe wide and then piano key down. All of them up, spread, piano key down. All the toes up, don't let the arch collapse. Spread. You might use the opportunity to figure out which of your toes isn't moving. Last one, all of them up, and then get a pinky toe PR. Stretch them out as far as I can, piano key down.